So today we will start with module 2, that is FFT. That is fast Fourier transform. Okay. So FFT, that is fast, main two topics, that is decimation in time and decimation in frequency. DIT FFT and DIF FFT. Okay. So fast Fourier transform refers to the algorithms that compute the discrete Fourier transform in a very efficient manner. So coming to the decimation in time, it uses the divide and conquer approach. So suppose let x of n represent a sequence. So let x of n represent a sequence of length n, where n will be power of 2. It may be 2 point, or it may be 4, it may be 8. So the length of sequence will be n, and it will be in the powers of 2. So to decimate this sequence into two sequences of length n by 2. So if suppose we are having x of n which is of length n, in that we will divide that length into two sequences. One will be even indexed and one will be odd indexed. Okay. So given here the given sequence x of 0, x of 1 till x of n minus 1. So previous what it will be x of n minus 2. Okay, then x of n minus 1. So even sequence how it will be x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of 6, x of n minus 2. Okay. In the same way, odd index how it will be x of 1, x of 3, x of 5, x of 7, x of 9 till x of n minus 1. Okay. So we know that DFT of an endpoint sequence, what it is, x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 till n minus 1, x of n, wn to the power of kn, where k varies from 0 till n minus 1. So this is the given sequence. So this given sequence is divided into even sequence and odd sequence. It is decomposing into two parts. So this one is decomposed into two parts. One in n even, one in odd. Okay. So it is writing as x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 till n minus 2 because it is even. Okay. So n minus 2 you can see here. 0 till n minus 2 like this. X of n, wn to the power of kn plus summation n is equal to 1 till n minus 1. You can see the odd sequence. So it will be from 1 till n minus 1. So n is equal to 1 till n minus 1, x of n, wn to the power of kn. So one sequence we have divided into, we have decomposed into two parts. One is even and the other is odd. So now what will be your next step? Put n is equal to 2r in the first term and n is equal to 2r plus 1 in the second term. So here the limits also will change. So when I am putting n is equal to 2r, so n is equal to 0 here. So what will be your r? R will be equal to 0. N is equal to 0. That is nothing but 2r will be equal to 0. That is nothing but r is equal to 0. It varies from n is equal to 0 till n minus 2. So when n is equal to n minus 2, so 2r will be equal to n minus 2. R will be equal to what? 2 will come here. So it will be n by 2 minus 1. So what you will be getting the limits? R is equal to 0 till n by 2 minus 1. Got? This is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. Okay. So we have replaced n with 2r. 2r. Wn to the power of, again n is replaced with 2r. So it will be 2 into k into r. So now plus, again for n is equal to 1. Okay. For n is equal to 1. 2r plus 1. This one will get cancelled. That is nothing but 2r will be equal to 0. R will be equal to 0. So I have written r is equal to 0. So when n is equal to n minus 1. So 2r plus 1 is equal to n minus 1. So what will be your 2r? It is nothing but n minus 2. So what will be your r? N by 2 minus 1. So I have written the upper limit n by 2 minus 1. Got? So x of, again replace n with 2r plus 1. Again replace with n with 2r plus 1. Okay. So after replacing, you'll be getting like this. Let this be g of r. Let this be h of r. So that is summation r is equal to 0, n by 2 minus 1, g of r, w into the power of 2 into kr. In the same way, h of r, w into the power of k into 2r plus 1. Okay. So we know that wn, what is wn? It is nothing but e to the power of minus j 2 pi by n to the power of 2 into kr into to the power of 2 into kr. Okay. So now this 2 I will send it down. So e to the power of minus j 2 pi r k n by 2. So this wn is nothing but e to the power of minus j 2 pi by n. So what will be your wn by 2? It is nothing but like this. Okay. So wn by 2 to the power of r into k. Got? So see here, this is wn. Okay. This part is wn. So if I put n by 2, this becomes wn by 2. Got? Okay. So next. Summation r is equal to 0, n by 2 minus 1, g of r, wn by 2 into kr plus, I will split this one and I'll take outside wn to the power of k. Okay. So again what I'll be getting here, h of r, wn by 2 into kr. Like this I'll be getting here. So this is nothing but, when it is wn, we tell it is n point. So this is n by 2 point dft. This is called as n by 2 point dft. So this can also be written as x of k is equal to g of k plus wn to the power of k into h of k. Since it is n by 2, we will be writing 0 till n by 2 minus 1 like this. Okay, it is not n point, it is n by 2 point. So we will be writing 0 till n by 2 minus 1. Since g of k and h of k are periodic, it can also be written as x of k is equal to g of k minus n by 2 plus wn to the power of k h into k minus n by 2 from n by 2 till n minus 1. Okay. Since they are periodic in nature with period n by 2, so it can also be written as g of k minus n by 2 plus wn to the power of k h of k minus n by 2 from n by 2 till n minus 1 like this. Okay. Example, if I take n is equal to 8, if I am taking n is equal to 8, x of k is equal to g of k, this equation. So what will be your x of 0? N by 2 minus 1 means it is 8 by 2 minus 1, it is, how much you will be getting? It is 4 minus 1, 3. So k varies from 0 to 3. 0 to 3, this equation. 4 to 7, this equation. Got? Okay. 0 to 3, this equation. Next 4 to 7, this equation. So you will be getting x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 from this equation. In the same way, you will be getting x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7 from this equation. That is k is equal to 4 till 7. Okay. So now, how you will be writing? So you will be drawing in this way. So what is your x of 0? Here you will be getting g of 0, g of 1, g of 2 and g of 3. Here you will be getting h of 0, h of 1, h of 2 and h of 3. This I will explain you later. Okay. So now what is your x of 0? X of 0 is g of 0 plus w to the power of 0, h of 0. So this is your x of 0. From here what you will be getting? G of 0 like this. From here you will be getting h of 0. So this one will be your x of 0. Here you will be having w8 to the power of 0. This is w8 to the power of 0. This is w8 to the power of 1. w8 to the power of 2. w8 to the power of 3. This one. Okay. So what you will be getting? So x of 0 is what? G of 0 plus h of 0 into w to the power of 0. In the same way, what will be your x of 1? X of 1 will be your g of 1, okay, like this, plus w to the power of 1 into h of 1, like this. In the same way, x of 2, what you will be getting? G of 2 plus w to the power of 2 into h of 2, you will be getting x of 2. In the same way, g of x of 3, what you will be getting? G of 3 plus h of 3 into w to the power of 3, like this. So this you have got. Next, x of 4, how it is? Again, x of 4 will be g of 0, like this. This g of 0 plus w to the power of 4 into h of 0. In the same way, g of 1, like this. You can compare the equations also. What will be your x of 5? It is g of 1 plus h of 1 into w to the power of 5. This will be your 4, w to the power of 5, w to the power of 6, w to the power of 7. This is also called as butterfly diagrams. Okay. So like this you will be getting x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Suppose you are having 8 point DFT. So you will be decimating that into 4 point and 2 point. Okay. So like this. So now each of the n by 2 point sequence are further decimated. So this is further decimated into next n by 4. Okay. So for that, g of k we know, that is it is equal to summation r is equal to 0 n by 2 minus 1 g of r wn by 2 into k into r from the above. That is what is g of k? That is this one. What is your g of k? It is this one. We have written here again. What is your g of k? It is nothing but summation r is equal to 0 n by 2 minus 1 g of r, okay, wn by 2 into kr. Again this we will divide into two parts, that is odd and even. Again we will do it in the same way what we have done it previously. So summation r is equal to 0 n by 2 minus 2 g of r wn by 2 into kr plus summation r is equal to 1 n by 2 minus 1 wn by 2 into kr. The same, the previously what we have done even and odd. In the same way we'll be doing. Next what we will do, we will put r is equal to 2l in the first part. In the second part what we will be doing, we'll be putting r is equal to 2l plus 1. Again we'll be changing the limits. So that is what happens here. This becomes l is equal to 0 and the upper limit, again the same thing what we have done here. So n by 2 minus 2 will be equal to 2l. So what you will be getting, l is equal to n by 4 minus 1. So we will be putting n by 4 minus 1 like this. Okay. And for the second one also the same thing, 2l plus 1, no? So r is equal to 1 we are having here. So 2l plus 1 will be equal to 1. So l will be equal to 0. So I'll put l is equal to 0. Okay. So next 2l plus 1 will be equal to n by 2 minus 1. I will equate, and what I'll be getting l is nothing but n by 4 minus 1. So I'll put n by 4 minus 1. Again g of 2l plus 1 wn by 2 to the power of k into 2l plus 1. The same way what we have done it previously. So summation l is equal to 0 n by 4 minus 1 g of 2l wn by 2 into to the power of kl. So after splitting we will take this one outside. So we'll be getting this one. So what it is nothing but g of k. Again I'll take this as a of k and this I'll be taking it as b of k for 0 till n by 4 minus 1. Again for the next we will that is from n by 4 till n by 2 minus 1, it will be a of k minus n by 4 plus wn by 2 of k, that is n by 2 point, b into k minus n by 4, that is from n by 4 till n by 2 minus 1. What we have done previously, the previous part for x of n for n sequence, what we have done, the same thing we are repeating for n by 2 sequence. Okay, so the same thing will be repeated. So in the same way we'll be getting g of k and h of k. Similarly, once you find out for g of k and similarly you write off what is for h of k. H of k also it will be the same thing. So now, for example, n is equal to 8. So what will be it for k is equal to 0, k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2, k is equal to 3. So that we will find out for g of 0, g of 1, g of 2 and g of 3. H of 0, h of 1, h of 2 and h of 3. After that again we will put this diagram, butterfly diagram. So for 8 point, this will be a 4 point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So g of 0 till g of 3. Again h of 0 till h of 3. Again 4 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Clearly you will understand when you will go for problems. Okay. Anyway, we will do it for 2 point. 2 point, how you will be getting x of 0, x of 4, a of 0, a of 1. W2 to the power of 0, W2 to the power of 1. So now this complete what we will do, we will write in one signal flow graph. So this is 8 point what we have done in the first, then this one is your 4 point, second time decimated, and this is the third time decimated. Okay, so this is 8 point, this is 4 point, this is 2 point. The flow graph for an 8 point decimation in time. So the reduced diagram will be in this way. So a plus b, wn to the power of 3. Here also what we have got, a plus b, wn to the power of r plus n by 2 can also be written as a plus b, wn to the power of r, a minus b, wn to the power of r. How it is we will see. Why this is being changed to a minus b. So wn to the power of r plus n by 2 is nothing but, we know what is wn, it is nothing but e to the power of minus j 2 pi by n. Okay, this r plus n by 2, which is equal to e to the power of minus j 2 pi r by n into e to the power of this n and this n will get cancelled, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what will remain? E to the power of minus j pi. So that is nothing but e to the power of minus j pi is what? Cos pi minus j sin pi. So what that is nothing but you will be getting it as minus 1. So minus 1 can be written as minus wn to the power of r. So that is being changed to minus a minus b wn to the power of r. So how you will be writing? See this diagram. So this is a, you will be getting here a, this is b. So b into wn to the power of r. At this point it is a, the flow is coming from here, b into wn to the power of r. So a plus b into wn to the power of r. In the same way, at this point what you will be getting? It is a, okay. So b into wn to the power of r, this is minus 1. So what you will be getting at this point? A minus b wn to the power of r, which can also be written as in this way. So here it is a plus b wn to the power of r. So like this it will flow. It is like this. A will come here, b into wn to the power of r will come here. So this point will be a plus b into wn to the power of r. This here how it is? It is a comes from here and here b into wn to the power of r. So it comes here, it becomes minus a minus b into wn to the power of r. You can remember in this way. Okay. So the reduced form. So the reduced form it is, this part is called as 2 point, this part is called 4 point, this part is called 8 point. So in the 8 point DFT you are having 3 stages, okay, 8 point, 4 point and 2 point. Here it is x of 0, right? This is x of 1, this is x of 2. So x of 2, x of 3, this one we are finding DFT. Okay, DFT we are finding x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, that is x of k it is. This one is x of k, this is x of n. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 like this. Okay, this is bit reversal. Okay, x of 0 is what? 0, 0, 0. So if you see from 0, 0, 0, you'll be writing from left to right, right? If you see from right to left, it is 0, 0, 0 only. So I'll be writing x of 0 like this. Okay. So now x of 1. X of 1, how you'll be writing? 0, 0, 1. Okay. From left side you'll start and you'll end up at the right side. So how will you write? It is 0, 0, 1. Okay. From the right side, when you see, how will you see? It is 1, 0, 0. So that is nothing but x of 4. Got? In the same way, x of 2, how will you write? It is 0, 1, 0. From the right side, when you see, again, if you read out, how it is? 0, 1, 0. That is nothing but again your x of 2 only. Okay. In the same way, when I write x of 3, how will I write? It is 0, 1, 1. If I read from the right side, how it is? 1, 1, 0. So I'll write x of 6 here. Okay, so now x of 4 again what it is? 1, 0, 0. If I read from the right side, it is 0, 0, 1. That is bit reversal. So this is x of 1. Got? In the same way, x of 5 what you will write? 1, 0, 1. If you read again from the right side, it is same 1, 0, 1. So it is x of 5. Got? Getting? Again in the same way, x of 6, it is 0, sorry, 1, 1, 0. If you read from the right side, it is 0, 1, 1, it is x of 3. X of 7, how it is? 1, 1, 1. If you read from the right side, it is the same 1, 1, 1. Got? So like this. So this is called as the reduced form. So see here, W2 to the power of 0, this is 2 point. So I'll put a like this butterfly diagram for the 2 point. 2 points means I'll be using only 2 lines. Okay, got? So now this is W2 to the power of 0, W2 to the power of 0, W2 to the power of 0. W2 to the power of 0 is also 1, W8 to the power of 0 is also 1. So this is nothing but it is equal to 1. And we have already proved why this is minus 1 here. Okay, so all will be minus 1 like this. Next, this is 2 point. Okay, next will be a 4 point. 4 point, how will you do? You'll use 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for this point, okay, if I put a cross mark from here, okay, like this, if I put a diagonal line, from here only I'll be putting a diagonal line here, like this. Okay, so in the same way, this again a diagonal line at the second, from here only I'll start. So don't get confused, line by line if you all do, you'll come to know. Okay, this calculation part we will see in the problems. So again, here what you'll be having, W4 to the power of 0, W4 to the power of 1, because it is 4 point. 4 point in the sense, W4 to the power of 0 is 1, same W8 to the power of 0. Writing W4 to the power of 1 is also the same thing. W8 to the power of 2 is also the same thing. If you want, you can calculate and see. Okay. I think it is J or minus J something. Okay. So this is one and the same. Since it is 8 point, we can do it with a W8 only. We can use W8 only everywhere. Or if you are comfortable with this, you can use even this also. Okay. In the same way, same thing like this. Okay. 4 point. Next, coming to 8 point. Since it is 8 point, you will be using all the 8 lines. You will be using all the 8 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. So from here for x of 0, I'll put from first. Okay. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it comes. Okay. So from here only I will start like this. Like this. No? Same thing for x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 and x of 4. Until you do one problem, you will come to know of. So let us see a problem. I think I'm not sure. Any doubts with this? Any doubts? So here you can see the problem. Compute 4-point DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 1 0 1 0 using DIT FFT radix2 algorithm. Okay. So what they are telling, you have to find out x of k. They have given x of n, you have to find out x of k using DIT FFT. So DIT FFT, you know how it is. So since it is 4 point, what you'll be having 2 point, then you'll be having 4 point. Got? So here it is x of 0 means x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. So accordingly what we'll be getting here, x of 0, x of 2, x of 1, x of 3. If you could reverse and see, you will get like this. So what is your x of 0? It is 1. So I'll put 1 here. So x of 2 is what? It is 1. I'll put 1 here. X of 1 is 0 and x of 3 is 0. I'll put 0 and 0 here. So this is W4 to the power of 0, or you can write W2 to the power of 0. This also you can write W2 to the power of 0. W4 to the power of 0 and W2 to the power of 0 is one and the same, that is 1. Okay. So now at this point what you will be getting? What is the formula? It is nothing but A plus B into Wn to the power of R. Okay. So what it is? This is 1. 1. Okay. 1 plus 1. This 1 into 1. So 1 plus 1, what it is? 1. So here what you will be getting? 1 plus 1, it is 2. What? So in the same way here what you will be getting? A minus B into Wn to the power of R. So A is what? 1. B is what? 1. 1 into 1. Okay. So 1 minus 1, what will be getting? It is 0. Okay. In the same way, x of 1, it is 0. So this is also 0. 0 plus 0, again it is 0. 0 minus 0, again you will be getting 0. Okay. So next, here, that is x of 0. What will be getting? This is 2. Here it is 2 plus 0 into 1. That is 0. So 2 plus 0, what it is? If you want, you can see this diagram and also you can write, or you can see the formula and also you can write. This is A a plus b into wn to the power of r. Here what it is? A minus b into wn to the power of r. Okay, so here it is 2. In the same way here, x of 1. X of 1 is what here? 0 is coming here. 0. And here again it is 0. 0 plus 0, it is 0. Okay. So next x of 2. Here what it is? 2 here. From here it is coming 2. Okay. So 2, this is 0 minus 0 into minus 1, it is 0. So again what will be getting answer as 2. Here what it is? This is 0. And again here it is 0. So this one will be 0. So what is your x of k? 2, 0, 2, 0. If you want to verify, you can verify the direct computation method what we have done previously. Okay, you can verify and you can see this is, you'll be getting the same answer. Got? Understood? Understood? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, madam.
So this problem you all solve and see you'll be getting this solution. Okay, that is tomorrow I'll ask you whether you got or no. Given x of n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Find x of k using DIT FFT. So answer also if you want, you all can write down. The same thing I'll be asking tomorrow. Bhagyashree, Bhavani,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Harish, Gauspir, Hema,
Present, ma'am.
Kirti,
Present, ma'am.
Lokraj,
Present, madam.
Prashant, Rajni,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Vismaya.
Present, ma'am.
Any doubts you are able to follow?
Ma'am, Sushmita, present, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Any doubts? Are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Others? Kirti, Rajni, Lokraj, Vismaya, Bhavani.
Yes, ma'am. Following.
You all write
Yes,
down the
ma'am.
notes and see.
Okay.
Solve it.
Yes, madam.
If anybody is having question papers now, kindly share in the group. Kirti, share your question papers in the group.
Okay, ma'am.